Hi, this is Allison from Computers.mom, and I'm going to show you how to create shortcuts to programs in Windows 10. When there's a program you use frequently, it's convenient to have a shortcut to it, either down here on the taskbar or up here on the desktop. Let's take as an example Firefox. Right now I don't have a shortcut for Firefox, either on the taskbar or on the desktop, so let's make them. To get started, you'll need to know how to open the Windows menu. You can either use the Windows key on the bottom row of your keyboard, or you can click with your mouse on this Windows button. You will also need to know how to right-click. On a traditional mouse, that's easy. If you have a laptop with a trackpad, usually you're going to right-click by clicking on the right-hand side of the trackpad. So with that under our belt, let's get started. Click the Windows key, and then start typing the name of the program you're looking for. I don't have to type the whole word Firefox. You see it comes up immediately. If you don't see the program, it's possible that it's not installed on your computer. That's a different problem. But in this case, all I have to do is click the Enter key on my keyboard and Firefox opens. To pin the shortcut to Firefox in the taskbar, all I have to do is right-click, using one of the techniques we mentioned earlier, on the Firefox icon in the taskbar, and then choose Pin to Taskbar. Then when I close Firefox, it stays and I can get back to it whenever I need to. Next, what if I want a shortcut on the desktop? I'm going to start the same way, Windows key, start typing Firefox, but this time when I open Firefox I'm going to right-click on it and then choose Open File Location from the menu that opens. There's Firefox highlighted, and once again right-click on it and choose Send to and Desktop Create Shortcut. Do that, close the top window, and ta-da! There's my Firefox shortcut, all set. So even though you can pause and rewind this video, that was a bunch of stuff pretty fast. Let's recap. To create a shortcut on the Windows taskbar, open the Windows menu by tapping or clicking, start typing the name of the program and press Enter when it appears. Then right-click on the taskbar icon for the program and left-click Pin to Taskbar. So that's how you create a shortcut on the taskbar along the bottom of the screen. If instead or in addition you want a shortcut on the desktop, this sort of background, here's what you do. Start the same way. Tap or click on the Windows key or the Windows button. Begin typing the name of the program, and when you see it, right-click on it and left-click Open File Location. Finally, right-click on the program name and then left-click Send to Desktop Create Shortcut. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.